Hey Kurt, in response to your last email, I wanted to record a very quick video just to show you that I'm working on my game. I'm almost done. I think I'm like 60% done. So I'm not waiting for the last minute. I already have the UI. I'm only missing buttons over here, which is going to be like a start, volume, not volume down, but mute button, a piggy bank, and end, I think. My score is over here on the top over here. Then I have a farmer who's walking around and who's picking up carrots, and he gets like points for picking up carrots. But then if he sees the bunny, he has to come and bang the bunny with a hammer because bunny is stealing his harvest. So you have to catch the bunny. There is a background music. Old MacDonald has a farm playing, but you cannot hear it now. And when he gets into the bushes, the banner comes out saying, "Get out of the bushes." So I still have like few things to tweak around and load it to Azure, but other than that, I've been working on this thing for the last 2 weeks, I guess. So yeah, I'm not waiting for the last minute. I'm struggling with it. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of a struggle, but I'm hoping to get the maximum points. So I'm almost done with it. And thank you for reminding us. Bye.